Let me start with a simple question. If AI is making everyone's life easier, why does it feel like CS students are more anxious than ever? We were promised something beautiful. Learn to code, they said. Computer science is future-proof, they said. AI will create jobs, not kill them, they said. And today, AI writes code. AI debugs code. AI designs systems. AI explains algorithms better than half our professors. So I want to ask something uncomfortable. What exactly are we training CS students for anymore? 1. AI didn't help CS students. It replaced their learning. Earlier, a CS student had to struggle. You broke your head over segmentation faults. You spent nights understanding pointers. You Googled errors for hours. That pain built thinking. Today, paste the error into ChatGPT, paste the question, paste the assignment. Boom. Solution. Did we save time? Yes. Did we lose understanding? Absolutely. Most CS students today are not learning how to think. They're learning how to prompt. And prompting is not intelligence, it's dependency. When AI disappears for 1 hour, most students are helpless. That's not progress, that's skill erosion. 2. AI killed the entry-level CS job first, let's be honest. AI didn't start by replacing CEOs. It didn't replace architects. It didn't replace professors. It replaced freshers, the exact people CS degrees were meant to protect. Junior developers, interns, entry-level analysts. Why? Because those jobs were repetitive, predictable, template-based. Exactly what AI is best at. Companies no longer ask, "Can you code?" They ask, "Why should we hire you instead of an AI that works 24/7, never complains, and costs nothing?" And most CS students don't have an answer. 3. AI will create jobs. The biggest lie in tech. Yes, AI creates jobs, but for whom? For PhDs, researchers, elite engineers, people who already had power, not for the average CS student from a Tier 2 or Tier 3 college. AI doesn't democratize opportunity, it concentrates it. One great engineer plus AI can now do the work of 5 developers, 2 testers, 1 designer, 1 technical writer. That's not job creation, that's job compression. And guess who gets compressed first? You. 4. AI made cheating invisible and talent irrelevant. Earlier, bad students failed. Now, bad students look brilliant, assignments are perfect, code is clean, explanations sound polished. But when you ask them, why does this work? Silence. AI has blurred the line between effort and output skill and appearance knowledge and copy-paste. So recruiters no longer trust resumes. They no longer trust grades. They no longer trust projects, which hurts good students the most. Because when everyone looks smart, no one stands out. 5. CS is becoming a race you cannot win. Think about this. You spend 4 years on a degree, thousands of hours learning tools, and every 6 months, AI gets better. New model, new framework, new abstraction. You're not competing with classmates anymore. You're competing with open source models, auto-generated code. AI agents that never sleep. This isn't a fair race. This is a treadmill that speeds up until you fall off. 6. AI is killing more than jobs. It's killing identity. For years, CS students had pride. I'm an engineer. I build things. I solve problems. Now, AI builds. AI solves. AI explains. So what are you? A middleman between problem to AI to answer? That's not a profession. That's a temporary role. And deep down, every CS student feels it. That quiet fear. If AI can do this better than me, what value do I really have? 7. The future isn't safe. It's selective. Let me be clear. AI won't kill all jobs. It will kill average jobs, replaceable jobs, shallow skill jobs. The future belongs to people who understand systems deeply, can think. Beyond prompts can build what AI cannot imagine yet. But that's a small minority. Most CS students were trained to be tool users, not tool creators, and AI punishes that brutally. 8. The uncomfortable truth. AI didn't destroy. CS. CS education destroyed itself by prioritizing marks over mastery, speed over depth, shortcuts over struggle. I just exposed it. It shined a light and said, if this is all you can do, I can do it better. Closing. So no, AI is not a friendly assistant. It is a mirror. And what it shows CS students is terrifying. How replaceable we've allowed ourselves to become. The question is no longer, will AI take our jobs? The real question is, will we become so shallow that it deserves to? Pause, look up. Because the future doesn't belong to people who ask AI for answers. It belongs to the ones who still know what questions matter.